So I just took off my I took off the kill switch. Just had a kill switch on it. I didn't like that kill switch, so I ordered a new one. This one right here. This one. So I can just click it on top of the where the handlebar is at. So for this, you unhook all the wires from this. You just unhook them. Unhook all these wires from the kill switch right here. Shouldn't be connected to any wires. And then you get this thick black one right here. This one right here. So then you get this end, the black cord, not the green one, the black one. So then you plug it into this one right here. Just push it until you hear like a click or a lock thing. Push it until so it's like that, and you can't click it no more. Yeah, it's pretty tight on there. And then there's a screw right here for the, I don't know what it's for, but you take it out and then from the thing, and then you add the green. You add this green one right here. You add this green one, and you put it on there. You put it under the black part, not. So for this, you get the, hold up guys. For right here you get this, then put this in here. Hold up. Put it like that. Then you gotta get this screw on there. Hold up, put this down. You put the bolt through the green hole thing. Then once you do that, hold up guys. Once you do that, you go like this. Hold up. Once you've got it in it, once you've got it inside of it, then you start turning till it's good and locked in place. Hold up, I'll do this all because you just and do it till it's tight. And then so this kill switch and then connect to anything. And these wires all connected to anything right here. These wires are connected to anything over here. So once you do that, you can start it up like normal. Just hold up. Let me put the kill switch on here.